This over here is the Haval Jolion Pro S Ultra Luxury, dressed in a borrowed ropes. Yep, the borrowed ropes are called the Edition S. In this very short video, I'll be telling you the difference between the normal Haval Jolion Pro and the Edition S. Now, Edition S has got few difference from the normal one. As you can see on the bonnet there, you've got an Edition S marking. And as you can see on the wheels there, you've got a red calipers. Yes, the brake calipers are painted in red and they looks good. They make the car looks aggressive. Let's zoom in so that you can see the Edition S. You saw it, right? Yep. And let's zoom in on the red calipers so you can see them. You saw them, right? And also you've got another Edition S here as well. As you can see, all the wheels they've got red calipers basically. And also you've got a black roof with the black spoiler that makes the car looks much more sportier and aggressive. Yeah, so it's Edition S, it's the red calipers, it's the black roof. What else? If I'm missing something, you can leave that comment in the comment section. But otherwise, the difference between the Jolion Pro standard and the Edition S is basically this. And this is done by the dealership. But however, Edition S is not made by Haval. Haval in China don't know anything about Edition S, just like the Cherry in China don't know anything about the Black Burgess. It is something that the dealerships in our country are cooking. However, they're still ordering these parts from China, as you can see. Otherwise, yeah. So this looks beautiful to me. To those of you that says this car is over exaggerated, I don't get you. Huh? You guys, you don't want change. You want to stick to the previous car with the previous shape. No, man, change is good. I know it can be painful.